I'm Madi King and I'm an industrial design student here at the UNSW Built Environment. I first wanted to be an industrial designer when I came to UNSW for the first time and met one of the first year lecturers at Info Day. She told me all about the course because I'd never heard of it before, and basically told me that it was a mixture of art and textiles thrown together with some engineering, which worked perfectly because they were all the things I'd loved and been doing since I was really little. So basically from that day I knew, and when I got into the course it just all went from there. The fact that it's so broad and you can design anything really that you think is a product was really exciting to me, and I loved the idea of telling stories through products. I chose to study industrial design at UNSW Built Environment pretty much the first time I came here. I got here and I talked to the lecturers and saw some of the student works that were available in Luminosity, and I knew that this is where I wanted to do it. I loved the feel of the campus, all the people milling about, sitting and talking on the lawns, and I loved the campus and all of the possibilities that I think the UNSW Built Environment has. I think I enjoyed mostly the social aspects of my course especially. It's quite a small course, so I know everybody in there and we're all really close, kind of like our own little industrial design family. When I get to campus, I usually head straight to the Square House because there's usually someone in there that I can talk to, and we usually just hang around there before class, probably working on assignments or other bits and pieces that we've brought with us. And then when class starts, we usually just mill around the studio, talking to our lecturers, getting each other's feedback on our assignments as well, which there's a lot of people there that you can ask for advice and they know what they're talking about. And usually during studio we can also just jump across to the design labs because they're right next door and work on our models or laser cut and 3D print bits and pieces and then take it back and show the lecturers kind of progress as we go. And mainly, yeah, just stay in the studio the whole time. As an industrial designer, I definitely want to make an impact, even if it's just a small impact. I want to connect people with each other, I think, and back as well to our products. And I want to tell a story, I think, in all the products I design and really draw people's attentions back to the things that sometimes we might take for granted. We've done a lot of exciting projects throughout the degree. Some of them have been really good in that we've collaborated with design companies and they come in and look at what we've designed, and there's usually competitions involved. Some of them are really interesting. We did one about travel, looking 5 years into the future at the possible designs that can be on aeroplanes, whether that be amenities kits or meal packs. And the chance to work with a design company was really interesting and learn how they kind of do it in the real world so that you can kind of get that knowledge and move forward with it. And when you are out in the real world with them, you have that experience behind you, I think.